This is class 10th, subject English, lecture 4, homework solution of chapter 2, determiners. In our previous lecture, we learnt about determiners. So now we are going to discuss the assignment which was given to you in homework. So this was the exercise which was given to you in homework. Filling the blanks with the correct determiners given in the bracket. First sentence is, the laborers found dash gold in the old mine. So here we have used a little gold because gold is uncountable noun and a little is used with uncountable nouns. Next, would you like to have a few cookies with your tea? So here we have used a few cookies because cookies are countable nouns and a few is used with countable nouns. Next is, how many stars are there in the sky? So stars are countable nouns, so that's why we have used here many, not much. Next sentence is, Hungary is dash European nation. So here we have filled a European. If we pronounce European, we find that here the E letter, E vowel is silent. There is no voice, no sound of E. So the sound is of U, European. So here we are going to use a. Next, the police was investigating a theft case. In options we have a or the. We cannot say a police. We will write the police was investigating a theft case. Next one is, she married to an NRI last year. NRI. Here we are speaking an, and here the sound is of vowel a. So we are going to use an because an is used with it is used with vowel sound and a is used with consonant sound. Next is, the children were bored as there was dash to do. As there was little to do. Little means hardly some. Means there was nothing to do for children. It means hardly anything. Next is, this is dash exact t-shirt which I have ordered online. So this is the exact t-shirt which I have ordered online. So we are talking about a specific t-shirt that was ordered online. It means this is specific. So for specific things we use the. Next is, which pair of shoes should I buy? This one or that one? In option we have two words, which and whose. This sentence is of interrogative determiners. So here we are using which, means we have to choose this one or that one. So we are going to use here which. Next is, how many days a week do you exercise? In options we have much and many. So we are using here many because days are countable nouns and with countable nouns we use many, not much. Next is, the Amazon in Brazil is the longest river in South America. So longest, this is superlative degree. Long, longer, longest. So with superlative degree we use the article the. This is definite article. Next, dash teachers prefer their students to be attentive in the classroom. In options we have no or most. So we are going to write here most. Most teachers prefer their students to be attentive in the classroom. Next one is, how much sand is there in the desert? In options we have many or much. So we are going to use here much because sand is uncountable now. So this was the solution of the assignment which was given to you in homework in lecture number 4. Thank you.